Hi, Lipiao here again, and this week I've been learning the hymn Come Sinners to the Gospel Feast. It's going to be the key of C and fairly simple chords C, F, G, and D minor. So the C chord, F, G, and D minor. Okay, and let's play through the first verse once through. So this hip is in triple time, so we're going to be using this strumming pattern. Down, up, up. Okay, here we go. Come sinners to the gospel feast, let every soul be Jesus' guest. Ye need not one be left behind, for God had bid all humankind. Okay, grab a song sheet and we'll play through all 5 verses. Come sinners to the gospel feast, let every soul be Jesus' guest. Ye need not one be left behind, for God had bid all humankind. Sent by my Lord, on you I call. The invitation is to all. Come all the world, come sinner thou. All things in Christ are ready now. Come all ye souls by sin oppressed, ye restless wanderers after rest, ye poor and maimed and halt and blind, in Christ a hearty welcome find. My message as from God received, ye all may come to Christ and live. Oh, let His love your heart constrain, nor suffer Him to die in vain. This is the time, no more delay. This is the Lord's accepted day. Come in this moment at His call, and live for Him who died for all. So that was Come Sinners to the Gospel Feast in the key of C. Again, just with 4 chords, you should be able to play the song, and it's not too hard, so practice and you'll be able to play along. See you next time.